Say aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha. Aloha everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little special guest. He wanted to help me with today's video and he also wanted to show you guys his toy that he bought. Not that one. That one. Okay, so today, as you can see, I only have my brows and my lashes on because today, this morning, I am going to be filming my skincare routine. I have had a lot of people ask me what I do to my skin. My skincare routine is really so basic, but I thought I would hop on here and share it with you guys because I know you guys want to know what I do to my skin, and my skin has been very clear lately, so I thought I would share this with you guys and hopefully it helps. If you guys are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasie. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join my little ohana that I have here, and yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right on into my skincare routine. First, let's start off with my face wash. I actually use two different face washes.
What should I show them?
Here, you can show them this one. The first one that I use is my EQUATE. The first one that I use is by EQUATE. It's supposed to be like the St. Ives Apricot scrub. I really like this face wash. It has like a really nice exfoliant in it. It leaves my skin feeling so clean. So I definitely recommend this one. And it's like $2 cheaper than the actual St. Ives. Okay, it's actually $2 cheaper than the actual St. Ives scrub, but I find that I love this one so much more than the original one, so definitely look into this. And then the next face wash that I use is by NEUTROGENA, and this is the Pore Refining Cleanser. It has the slightest exfoliant to it. It says exfoliating cleanser, but the exfoliating product in here, it's really not that harsh. It's light, if anything. But the beads, it just leaves my skin feeling so clean. The only thing about this one is that it does say it contains something that can like make you more sensitive to the sun. So majority of the time, I'll switch between these and I'll use this one mainly at night just because I know I'm not going to get any sun exposure. But really it depends on the day, but this thing leaves my skin feeling so clean, so I definitely love that. After I wash my face, I always have to tone, always. My favorite toner that I use, it's my ride or die, is my Witch Hazel. This one is from Dickinson's. It is the original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner.
See the new Lego stuff I got it?
Okay. Hold on,
but make your video first. Okay,
yeah, let me finish, okay?
I'll show you.
I use this every single day, every single night. I take it on my EQUATE cotton rounds, the cotton pads that I mentioned in one of my hauls. It takes off all that dirt that gets left behind even after washing your face. It helps clear my skin so much. I love this product. I cannot live without it. It just leaves my skin feeling so clean. Okay, so let's move on to face masks. My Mint Julep mask, and this one is from Queen Helene. I mentioned this in my January favorites. I use this maybe every 2 to 3 days. It's just so nice. It's perfect for people with oily skin. It pulls out all that extra oil in your skin. It leaves your skin feeling so soft and clean, and I just love that mask. So I highly recommend that mask. Now I know a lot of people struggle with this, and it's not just me, but I do get a lot of blackheads in my nose area and my chin area. This right here is the black peeling mask. I got this on Amazon. This brand is PLAZURIA. The only thing about this mask I will say is that when you are peeling it off, it is going to hurt. It is going to make you tear up. So I do not use this all over my face because I am just not brave enough, but I do use it like on my nose area and my chin area. Guys, it's so good. Like, it pulls out all that dirt. If I was brave enough, I would show you guys, but really it's so disgusting. But I highly recommend this mask. I will leave all the products that I mentioned down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in any of the products, I will go ahead and link them so that you can look them up yourself and buy them yourself. This product I have purchased, like I said, from Amazon, so it's very easy to get a hold of, but I know that Walmart... Okay. Okay.
Because I want to get a sip of my Capri Sun.
Okay. But I know that there are a lot of brands that carry black face masks like this. I know Walmart has one. I've never tried it, but this one, I'm telling you guys, it works and it pulls it out just as well as those strips, except it's so much more affordable to just get this, you know, because it lasts so much longer. I have used this countless times and it is still more than halfway full. So I definitely recommend this mask. For moisturizers, I have two moisturizers to mention as well as a facial serum. The first moisturizer I'm going to mention is this one right here, and it's by CERA. It is the PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It says it's ultra lightweight, moisturizes throughout the night, and helps restore the skin's barrier. Protective barrier, sorry. So this is their PM moisturizer, so I only use it at night. I use it after I get out of the shower. After I use my witch hazel, I'll slap that on right before bed. It has definitely helped my skin a lot. I know it mentions it is oil free and it has hyaluronic acid, so that's good right there. Next moisturizer I'm going to mention, I have mentioned it in my January favorites as well. I'm sorry, but I just love these products, and as you can see, my skin is fairly clear. I know I have mentioned these products before, but I have to give credit where credit is due. I love these products, and that is why I feel like my skin is just so clear for the most part. Don't get me wrong, I do have breakouts here and there, especially during that time of the month, you know, Shark Week. But for the most part, my skin is really clear, and it is because of these products. So the last moisturizer that I'm going to mention, I have mentioned it in my January favorites, is this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. This is a gel cream. I love gel cream moisturizers because I feel like they just absorb into your skin so much more. It does not break me out. I do have fairly sensitive skin, but for the most part, I don't usually have problems with skincare products. But yeah, so this one is for normal to combo skin. I'm fairly on the oily side, but at times I do get dry, especially with the weather changes here. So this one is literally my third jar, and as you can see, it's gonna be gone soon. I love this stuff. You guys, it smells so good. Like, it just smells so refreshing at the end of the day, and even in the mornings when you wash your face and you cleanse your face, you put on that toner and you just put this moisturizer on. It just wakes you up. It makes you feel so refreshed. It makes my skin feel so nice. My face feels moisturized, but it doesn't feel greasy. So that's why I love this moisturizer. I will not stray away from it. I will continue to repurchase. I love this moisturizer so much. And then the last product, guys, I bought this on a whim at TJ Maxx. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx's skincare products. I kid you not, they have so much skin products there, and they're actually really good, but they're really affordable. I'm getting so excited about the products that I am literally losing my breath here. So before I pass out, let me just mention this product. This is the Advanced Clinicals Rose Hip Oil. Guys, I cannot say enough about this product, and I'm not exaggerating. It has done so much for my skin. My skin always feels so moisturized. I feel like my skin is just more youthful ever since I started putting this into my routine. I did do a review before on a a facial hair remover, like a, I don't know. I'll link the video down below if you guys want to see it. And I'll also try to take a clip of that and show you guys how my skin looked before. When I first got here, the weather was so bad that I literally had scars right here. And because of my hyperpigmentation, they got a bit dark. That is gone. Thankfully, that has disappeared. And for my entire life, almost my entire life now, after having my kids, on this side, I don't know why, but on this side of my face, I had a strip right here, almost like a patch of hair, almost like if I was really hairy here, but I wasn't, guys. I just had a patch right here of hyperpigmentation, and it was always so dark and noticeable, and it was really embarrassing. As you guys can see, since using this oil, it's pretty much almost gone. Like, I noticed this the other day, and I'm like, the only thing that I changed in my skincare routine was this oil. Vitamin C rich formula supports an even skin tone. Pure vitamin E rejuvenates the skin for a more youthful look. And the calming rosehip oil helps to fade wrinkles. Guys, don't sleep on this. Advanced Clinical's rosehip oil. I'm sure this is not the only rosehip oil that works wonders, but this one in particular, the scent is not strong. It doesn't leave me feeling super greasy, and it's just, it's such a nice, calm smell that I honestly feel like you guys will enjoy this. And just the improvements that it's made to my skin, I am living for it. And since I have started using this oil, I have been having so many people ask me, what do you do to your skin? What is your skincare routine? How do you keep your skin so clear? And I saved this for last because, you know, you always save the best for last. I love this stuff. I have 2 more backup bottles of this. I'm serious. I'm so happy that I found it. If you guys can find it at TJ Maxx, definitely pick it up. I believe it was only $4.99 for this bottle. And I've been using it every single morning, every single night. And the bottle is still filled to like right here. And I use it all over my face and all over my neck. I use a lot of this stuff, guys. And a little goes a long way. It's gonna last you forever, but I was like, this stuff is a miracle. I had to buy some backups of it. It's just so, so good. I know I'm rambling about this product, but guys, don't sleep on it, okay? But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for my skincare routine. Seriously, my skincare routine is so basic, but it has been helping my skin so much. Like, literally, I have nothing on my face except this morning I washed my face, of course, like normal. I used my witch hazel, and then I just popped this oil on, and my skin looks nice and youthful and glowy. I did slap on some brows and lashes, of course, because I wanted to look a little bit put together. But as far as the face, I have nothing on my face. My skin is clear. My skin feels just, it feels good. And even during that time of the month, I feel like I can keep my skin under control for the most part. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my skincare routine. If you guys don't use any of these products, I really hope that you guys check it out, and I hope that it helps some of you that have problems with your skin. I know when I first got here, my skin was really bad. I felt like I was in high school all over again. I had little bumps and just irritations all over my face, and I finally got it under control. So I hope that some of these products help you guys out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join my little Ohana, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha!